Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up a public folder so you can easily share files with anyone, even if they don't have an account. First, we'll head to your home page and start by creating a new folder using the Create button. Give your folder a descriptive name that reflects what you'll be sharing, then go ahead and create it. Now that your folder is ready, let me show you how to add the files you want to make publicly accessible. After your files finish uploading, you'll want to click the Share button to set up access permissions. Here's where you control what people can do with your files. You can give them editing rights or limit them to just viewing. Go ahead and create the link, then copy it. You can now share this link through email, chat, or anywhere else you'd like. The beauty of this approach is that recipients can access everything in the folder immediately. No sign-up required. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create and share a public folder for seamless collaboration.